All right, guess where I'm at. Harley Davidson. Yeah, there's a story behind it. I had to bring my my head bolt kit back to Harley because it was defective. So I figure while I'm here, and it's busy today. Let me tell you, it's busy. So while I'm here, I figured I'd get a couple things. Got a dog tag key holder and a couple of stickers. I'm just looking around. I'm getting ready to leave pretty soon. But they took care of me. I gotta tell you, they took care of me. It was defective, and they gave me a return, and I'm gonna wait to see it on the credit card, and then I'm gonna reorder it. So I figure while I'm here, just look around, just go around a little bit. Oh, look. Yeah. It's service down there. Sweet, 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 sweet. All right. Anyway, just wanted to give you a little look-see. Just a little look-see. There's some bikes. All right. Just a little look-see. So, lizards. Yeah, I like my little. I got some couple of trinkets, little goodies. So, there you go. All right, I will leave you with this shot right here. All right, so I just wanted to give you a little tour. All right, some more to come.